It's time to weld. Hi everyone, I'm Nico here at the Blue Demon headquarters. Today we're going to be talking about Blue Demon's Trueview 9300 welding hood. The Trueview 9300 is digital, fully automatic, using true color technology to give you a one-to-one to one-to-one optical clarity. The hood is extremely responsive, using 5 sensors to auto darken in 0.04 milliseconds. With its extra large viewing area, the hood is still lightweight, only weighing in at 1.1 pounds. Now let's take a look at what's inside the box. Right out of the box you get your hood, your user manual with a couple interior and exterior replacement lenses and some Lithium CR2032 batteries. Now let's take a look at some of the hood's modes. First we'll start with weld. The hood features an automatic or manual setting. In automatic, the hood will adjust the shade depending on the brightness of the arc. The shade ranges from 8 to 13, the sensitivity from 0 to 7, and the delay from 0 to 9. Now let's get into cut mode. The shade ranges from 4 to 8, the sensitivity from 0 to 7, and the delay from 0 to 9. Last, let's get into grind mode, which makes the shade 3 and make sure the hood does not auto darken. Switching from weld to grind is made easy with a button on the side of the hood. Now let me demonstrate how to replace the exterior lens. Let's begin by removing the old one. Pull up and out. Grab your replacement. Remove the protective coating. Slip the lens into the grooves. Snap it in. Now let's remove the interior lens. Begin by removing the thumb screw. Take the frame up and remove the old lens. Grab your new lens. Remove the protective film. And place in the grooves. Done. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. We'll get back to you ASAP.